The only thing that's in focus on that picture are her eyelashes, because that was my focus. And here's my theory, guys. If a bride spends money on something, it's because it's important for her. It's important to her, and I will photograph it, right? I mean, the amount of time that those girls spend on hair and makeup, you gotta go back and shoot that. No, Manuel, that was 2.8. That's the Canon 100mm macro f2.8. But because I'm really close, just think about this. Let's think about that. Let's geek out a little bit here, okay? Because I'm really close, all right? I get a little bit more bokeh in there. I wish it was a 1.8. I really do. But again, that was shot with that lenses. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to get that close, because my 1.2, my 1.4 are not macro lenses. And then what I would have, like a bigger scene, right? I would have like a wider shot, probably, okay? And then you would get lost. You don't know where the focus of the image is. The focus is the eyelashes. And so that's the only thing that should be in focus for that picture, because that's exactly where I want to focus.